Sit up. She reminds me of a penguin, the way she puts her paws out. She's really funny. Good girl. I use a method I call CPR. C is for command, so I say the puppy's name and the command, sit. And then I position the puppy, and he'll follow my food for the reward. Good boy. Command, position, reward. Teach puppies to sit up. You teach your puppies to sit up. Just hold the food over their nose and give them the food when they sit up. Use the command, sit up. Teach puppies to sit up. Good girl. Come on. She's funny how she sits up. She kind of puts her little paws out to the side to balance herself. Come on. Oops. Come on. Come here. Good girl. Come here. Sit. Good girl. Sit up. Come on. Good girl. Look at how cute that is. Come on. Come on. So she sits like a penguin. She kind of puts her paws out. It's pretty. Come on, sit up. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good sit up. Good girl.